In front of me is INFINIX Zero and today I would like to show you how you can add a password to Google Passwords Manager. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling all the way down to hit Users and Accounts. Then hit this gear next to Google. Select Google Password Manager and tap on Add Password to input all of those informations. Select an app. Input your username, email or phone number, password and take some notes. When you finished, hit Save at the top right corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!